Come. Hi guys, what's up?
Welcome to the Chocolate and Vanilla Vlog.
What up, one people?
Big up.
Big up on yourself. Yes.
We got something for you guys today.
But before we go into it, we are asking you, please like,
share,
subscribe,
and don't forget to click that notification button.
And make sure to comment.
Notification.
Good or bad, okay? But guys, I know you guys have been waiting forever for us to prank the husband.
It's called revenge.
Revenge. You remember how they do it in the last video? With accuse her for stealing? Well guys, we come up with something bad.
Bring it.
We are bring it today. We are bring it. No. So here we guys, here this agogo. So them gone at the gun range, gone shoot, right? So we tell them so we are gonna make them lunch. We tell them so we're gonna make them sweet and sour chicken and rice roni. Okay, we are gonna make them sweet and sour chicken. So me could tell them where we're gonna plan them with. We tell them so we have the sweet and sour chicken. But
so we have the chicken here.
So we have the chicken here. Yes. Purdue.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast. But what we are going to do is we create a label on the computer off of the internet with frog legs. Yes, so it marks frog legs. So
we have to take the stickers.
We're going to take
and put them on the chicken. For cover up say a chicken breast, we are going to put say a frog leg.
We are going to put say a frog leg.
Let's correct this. Organic frog leg.
Organic frog leg. Frog leg. And you know how Jamaican steer when it come to eating frog. We not do that. No, we not do that. So we are going to cover it like she said with the frog leg. We have all the label.
With a SKU
number and everything. We think about this in a guy. We'll put a lot of details in this.
To make it look as real as we can, the label big. So we have to cut down the label.
So we're going to cut down the label. No, but we have to bring up the camera so we can show them how we are doing. But listen guys, when them come now and we're going to make them plate, them lunch, a lunch we make them, we're going to make them eat off everything. Then we're going to tell them say a frog leg. Yes, because you know sweet and sour chicken, we have to go dip in flour first and then fry and all of that. So they're not going to, and everything tastes like chicken, right?
And then say frog leg tastes like chicken.
So them say frog leg tastes like chicken. So we're going to make them heaty, we're going to make them yummy, and then we reveal to them say a frog leg. Yeah, after that.
Then really nice and full.
If they not believe we know, we can always draft the empty pocket with the frog leg label on it for sure them say a frog leg, a real frog leg, we serve them. Yeah. Alright? Yeah. So stay tuned. Bring down the camera so we can show them how we're gonna put on the frog leg. Yeah, pan the pocket. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, guys.
So, me need to cut this, right? Because it's too big. I'm going to cut it so it can fit nice and look real. And then not pay attention to the damn chicken packet. Oh, it really steer. Yeah. Then not pay attention for no say we we fake all of this. Yeah. Them just have a react.
We'll bring it to them 100.
Bring it to them 100%. Then things say, them a prank master. Alright, we're about to show them. Want to make sure.
The bottom part can show.
Nice. Frog leg, you understand?
Let me bring it so you guys can see. See?
Frog legs.
Frog
legs in this.
And see the label on it?
Yeah. Have a label.
Look natural. Yeah.
Soft.
No antibiotics ever. See?
Yes.
Yeah.
Frog
legs, see? Organic frog legs funny.
Yeah, we set up this. So we have to cut here now. Get a knife over here. We have cut here now. So I can preserve the label. Cut it really good. So that's what they
We not damage the label.
Yeah, so when they ask, make sure them the package where it come in, we have it nice already. Yeah, nice already. So, yeah, we're going to say chicken. Chicken breast.
Chicken, guys.
Yeah, chicken. Alright, chicken breast. Yeah. But we're going to save this. Put it in our trash neatly. Put it in our trash right here. And we know them all send with us. We now put it all the way down. Just let it stay there. And now we're going to wash it.
You know, so we always have to wash for meat.
Wash the meat. Yeah. I want some vinegar. Yeah. And guys, this is going to take a while. So, you know we have to come back. Come back and show you the finished product. And how we set up the plate and everything. And what we have to do, guys, well, them probably, after we tell them, say, a frog legs, then Nyam, them probably go run and chew up in a bath, try to chew up in a bathroom. So we're going to set up
Camera.
3 cameras. We're going to set up a camera across from the dining room. Follow me, Vanilla. We're going to set up one over here, sir.
Yep.
Over here, sir, across from the dining room.
Across from the dining room, where we're going to put their lovely meal.
Right. And then we have to go set up one in a bathroom. Let me turn on the light here. Yeah. We have to go set up one.
We're going to set up a camera in here.
Yeah, we're going to set up one in another bathroom, yeah. Because more than likely, somebody are going to run coming at
Yeah, because the 2 of them. So we have to make sure we cover both bathrooms down here.
So, then we set up, we're going to set up one in another bathroom here. In here, so. So we're going to set up one in another bathroom. In a bathroom.
Yep.
Yeah. So, be prepared, guys. It's going to be on.
We're
popping.
bringing it
so we're
to
gonna come
them
back
today.
And show you when we finish make the sweet and sour chicken. Them not like you with pineapple, so we have to do it with just sweet pepper and them stuff. They not like you with pineapple. Yeah.
Here's the 2 pretty plates.
Nice pretty plates. Let me just clean it up so be nice and pretty. Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
Nice.
And I got a nice, delicious lunch.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to take down, guys, we're going to take down one of the floors. Well, we have a floors. We have a floors vase. We're going to put it right over here, sir, and put the camera right in the vase. So when they sit down here, so they don't have no clue what I did behind the flowers, and just put a part where they capture everything. So they not see. We're going to put the vase right up there, sir. Yes, guys. So
you got your phone call?
Yeah, let me call. Let's call and see what in there. Oh God, I'm nervous. Hopefully we can play this off.
Pressure's on.
Vanilla, we're happy. Can't laugh. We don't want to laugh. God, please don't make me laugh.
Please don't make me laugh either.
We're happy. Get this.
Yep.
Who we call? My Carper.
It don't matter, whichever one.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
What happened? Nothing. Which part of that we done cooking now?
Just cook.
Yeah, we done cook and share food up. Sweet and sour chicken, I'm telling us how we cook. Our rice are running. What do you want for drink?
What else do you do still?
What you want for drink?
What you have there?
Let me see what I'm French. We have berry blend, cute.
Passion fruit juice?
You want passion fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me some of that.
Alright. Which part of Saudi that just down the street?
Yeah, man, I just come here right now. It's all right.
Okay, alright. Alright. Alright, me put the drinks there, okay? Alright, love you.
Yeah, man, let me go.
Bye. Yeah.
Okay.
So you see everything?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah?
I can see you good.
You can see it good?
Uh-huh. Let me
Alright.
move out a little bit.
Okay, alright. So you see the yellow flowers there?
Hold on. Let me make sure I can see both plates.
Yeah.
All right.
You see the yellow flowers that were over the top?
Uh-huh.
Bring it over some more so I hide it. Yeah.
Alright.
And the piece of greenery there on the side. Yeah.
Up here good? You
Yeah,
can't see
up-
anything up there?
Yeah.
You good?
You can't see. No.
You can't see
You
it?
can't see.
All right.
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
Alright. So, alright. Guys, income.
Then they hear,
Just hear it.
We just hear
Park
them.
up. Then
We
no.
just
So
hear them.
we can't stand up. We can't stay from the camera.
No.
Alright. We're gonna get some
We have to get
pictures.
something for drink. That more from more. We hear the car.
Yeah, we hear it here.
You want good this time, man. Yeah, you hear that? You want to check. You want to check this time. You're that. I saw that one.
Yeah, tell us how I open up for
That's
lunch.
great.
How was range?
Yeah, you glad? You glad?
Yo, we're going to burn it.
Exactly.
Now it's not a wow, but
Yo, let me tell you.
You glad how true to sing this time,
That
man.
one thing step out.
Whatever. You hear this, man? You don't know.
Yo, we're shooting. Yo, we're not like
Anything, man.
Honestly,
Man,
the last time, you know, we should have more than
Yo, I might be to them.
I feel it today.
Man,
Hurry up now.
Yo, we're going good. Yo,
Yeah,
we're
we're
going
going
good. Yo, we're target them
You
there.
like, nah, so I can't tag you. What should I tag you,
I don't
man?
know why you about gone, can't eat. After we spend so much, we sleep for my food. Sleep.
I'll put on this. Food,
Alright.
put it on. How much time are going for that? Put that in this jacket.
Everything going, man. Trust me.
Yeah, and I look like when I look good, I don't come in hype.
Right.
Man, I show you good, man.
On point.
You can't believe it.
You're right now, we'll outshoot this one.
You can't
Oh,
believe
shoot,
it.
what?
You
So
can't
do you have a key also?
We'll outshoot the soldier.
Right, Seriously?
Yo, remember me tell you.
You can't believe it like I showed the kind of see.
Hurry up, man.
That's
The food, you know what? Because I know you don't like your food cold. So,
Yeah.
we're going all out for that.
All out.
Yeah. Look like restaurant quality. Not bad.
So I'll go and put on this as yeah.
Rotted. Yeah, you make hurry up and put it down, cause yeah, hurry up and put
Tell me
it
about
down.
one.
This,
yeah.
let me sit down.
Like, say it.
Let me sit, we eat already.
Yeah, we're good. We eat already. We're gonna wait for minutes.
Oh, you don't want your pepper sauce now, you have your pepper. Yeah.
So you know me, man, you know, man, I put on the blur, see pepper thing to watch.
I know you don't like your pepper.
And you know me, the pepper what happened to me.
Yeah.
He come to blow.
He come.
One nobody don't like me.
Yeah.
Straight out.
Before you eat too much, I hold it before you get the cup.
Man, when you taste the pepper, man, I hiccup. You start hiccup to blow.
You know what problem we have? When you eat too much hot pepper, it catch me.
Alright. Yeah, for sure, man.
Victor, you stop.
I know.
Don't be in there.
Okay, I want to eat too.
You get that phone there, man.
Oh, it found.
What are you?
Awesome.
That was it.
Yeah, as soon as we start. Come on. Then when we stop, talk, it go up.
Yeah.
I what?
No,
Okay,
no.
I don't know. It sound like one toad.
Toad.
Yeah.
So like, I don't know what to it, but it's all some water business.
Oh, it's all right.
That matter them think I found
on a pipe in my bathroom when I go wash your hand? Oh. Oh, at this a rocker.
This right here, this one.
Yeah.
Keeper of this.
Oh, this is a rocker.
That was delicious.
Of course, it's delicious. And the chicken.
Yes, I just wrapped it.
Chicken nice and moist, go on.
The chicken nice and moist.
Moist.
Tastes good, man.
A soft spring chicken taste. Spring
Spring
chicken.
chicken.
Yeah.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
You know where I it. I'm not there.
Yeah, spring chicken. I saw spring, them say spring
Spring
chicken.
chicken.
taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it
Shrimp
tastes.
chicken.
What's the name? That's on Friday.
Bullfrog.
Mm.
Yeah.
You know that shit, you know what?
You can't say that.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
You'll never eat.
Man, I
You can't say that.
No damn spring
You can't say that.
Spring chicken.
You cannot say
You
that.
can't
We can't
say
say
that.
what I say.
You can't say
You
never.
can't say that.
You can't.
Blowing.
Never say never.
Why never say that?
Because you can just
Because
eat.
that's what you ate.
Mm.
It was good. You dog it off. You
And
nyam
I'm gonna go
everything.
over that, like.
For real.
For real.
Chicken.
Bullfrog.
I'm not
Let's
some
give you
bullfrog. Bullfrog are man one. Them are farm grown.
organic frog leg.
Woman frog.
Them are organic.
Organic frog leg.
No.
No.
We just
Organic
cut off the
frog
meat.
leg.
Yeah, we just cut off the meat off a leg, put in our flour, fry it, and then we make it
I don't
salad.
believe that. No, you don't believe that.
Well, believe or believe not. That's why you nyam.
That's it. Eat.
That's what you
frog
eat.
leg.
Frog leg.
Spring
No.
chicken.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken.
Spring
Wanna watch the package that coming out?
Let's go get it.
This is chicken.
Let's go get it.
Let me show you.
You want to know what rap with that? No, with us, yeah.
What's that say?
Sea
Frog leg.
frog leg.
Organic
Organic
frog
frog
legs.
Frog leg.
Look.
Organic
Frog
frog
legs.
Organic frog leg.
Freshness.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
Freshness guaranteed. Frog leg. I mean, you know benefits of this? What is the benefits? What is the benefits?
What is the benefits?
What is, yeah, what is
It's good for your immune
It
system.
goes, yeah,
It's
it
good
goes
for
enough natural benefits in the
oxygen to your brain.
Yeah, I'm not
Good
poison.
for high blood pressure.
All kind of things.
All kinds of things. Vitamin
No,
A and I.
no, we cook lunch for.
Then what kind of foolish is that? You don't give man to learn that. I'm not joking.
And I don't see
I
package.
You see the package?
No, I talk that we buy it at farmers market.
Yeah.
So keep out. Yeah, I really like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
You nyam it good.
No, man.
You nyam it and enjoy it as it go down.
I don't know.
You enjoyed every bite. Did you not? You talk about how this is the best chicken and.
Yeah, so why difference now? You kind of. I don't like say bullfrog when Suma Jamaica. I don't like say bullfrog in Jamaica. Different kind of frog them here.
They're organic.
A different kind of frog them here. I don't like it. Then you wanna raise for the farm. Organic frog. And I like say what. I don't like you wonder what you know it trend to Jamaica. No, I good frog them here.
They're raised on a farm.
A spring
Yeah,
chicken.
yeah,
Me uno call it bullfrog. Me uno call it bullfrog. Me not call it spring chicken.
I'm foolish. I'm fucking at the no go out with that.
I don't why you fuckery. I
Why
mean,
the fuckery?
I
So, no,
check
man, we can't have me say that do something like that.
I know.
You are bad, bro.
Did it kill you?
kill you.
Did it kill you?
Well, it goes to the benefit.
You
because-
still agree?
Yeah, and what if a benefit? Yeah, good for your immune system.
We'll look out for you
Why
with the
they
COVID
can't take
situation.
stress me? What how much pill they can't take for your immune system?
We're looking out for
Why
you
you have
with
here,
the
sir?
Why
COVID.
you want to be a
Help build your immune system.
For me, service like a lizard or crocodile or some shit. Oh, you don't feel.
But them gonna have a nutritional benefit like where
You want me to
it
do shit on the news? You keep on that one nutritional benefit. You not care about that.
You're not
man.
dead.
We can't take pills for that. We don't know if we are
You're
dead.
not dead.
You don't know yet.
But see, I mean, you already eating.
You already ate it. You don't need it already.
No, why you go for
We can really tell you if we
If
didn't tell you say it will it's from. You wanted to eat it.
Why you do something like why you do something like that?
Because we want to give us some exotic for eat. We didn't just want regular chicken.
Where can you say?
We didn't just...
Because you wanted to eat it. We wanted to know how you don't really.
Okay, so that means
But if we did tell them, we're not going to eat it.
that's the point. Because we don't know if you eat, man.
You know what I mean, man?
Yo.
We just want to try something
We wanted to try something
We just want to
different.
try something different.
Something new.
Something new.
But foolishness number.
And I know foolishness.
Yeah, say something like that.
I know foolishness.
Shit to right.
Why you have to farm it up something so good? But you enjoy it.
You enjoy it.
But you already enjoy it. You already enjoy it. Yeah. All of a sudden,
Now don't vomit up. You don't want to shit in me at that time.
vomit up what?
But you can't miss it. Jesus Christ. What do you want to talk to her, man? Man, blowing that bullfrog to her ass. What kind of foolish is that? Well, you give away what man.
And I'm not mad. And I'm not you're upset.
Yeah, I'm say sir man learn that fact, right? You know someone on never seen. What kind of foolish is that guy?
But me tell us I don't like frog when you think like Jamaica frog.
No matter them
Them are farm grown frog. Organic frog.
No, they know what kind of frog you know. People don't know. They still don't want to hear me. That kind of problem, sir. You can't understand the blood.
Me understand, so you don't want me. That's why I couldn't tell you. Because when I read up the benefit, you alright?
Yeah, I'm trying to vomit up this shit out of them. I can't, sure. I don't feel like more vomit, right? I just upset the stomach.
You're not going to vomit so easy, you know, because it digests already.
Yeah.
But look how nice it tastes, Mike. I mean, come on.
But I fool this at the world, man. You're my best man, star. Trust me. Yeah.
I don't see big deal in it.
The big deal is that you trick man to learn that and you must know, you know me and you. That you can't think that is a big deal?
I don't think it's a big deal
But give me
because
something
I
to
like
eat.
it. And I like your pies and my pies, you know.
It don't matter when me the cooks and give away them to write. I see when you that go on. Or even worse to write it.
No.
I force that to not go on with.
Yeah.
Fuck that, trust me.
I mean, you're not to go on some of my people's feet.
I'm not gonna blur it to eat that thing, you know. Yo.
You alright?
No, man, I'm alright, man. I'm alright, sir. I can't believe I eat that thing here, no, man. Can't believe it. No, man, I eat nothing about that, man. I eat that thing that birthday. You can't believe I can't trust you with certain things again, you know. I can't like, I deceive, man, at certain things. What do you mean?
Is it enough to you? You alright? Can you come in? Eh?
No, me alright, man. No, don't worry about me, man. I eat that thing that I go on with, man.
No. You're alright. You alright?
Oh, just easy, man. Just easy, sir.
What do you mean just easy?
No, man, you know what I mean? Just easy. You can't give man frog feet. Bullfrog.
But you're not dead.
No matter if you're dead. Put me dead tonight. Oh, no. Oh, God, man.
Where I get so vexed from?
I'm not in our world.
You know, like I know.
It's not the end of the world.
I can know nothing more answer.
But I'm not in our world.
What do you mean I know in our world,
I'm
man?
not in our world. I mean, you
No,
get
no,
some
no, but-
exotic to eat.
Me no care, sir. You know, me tell someone like...
All what in your head, you know, and that's like that. Mr. All what in your head is like a Jamaica bullfrog. I know a bullfrog. Them are real nice.
You don't know what kind of frog. You go like you don't know what kind of frog. Me no Nyam frog, man. Me no want none for them. Why that coming at you? That is like cook something like that, you man.
But them a frog are lean, you know, and a farm grown.
Me say me no give a shit.
They raise for special feeding. Some of the
They're organic.
Yeah, they're organic.
Oh my God, I don't understand
Frog leg.
some big pints in a man.
Why
I don't understand that.
You don't eat bullfrog.
You just did.
That's still like, you come and say, really?
Don't tell me no foolishness. You might tell me, do not tell me no foolishness.
No, sir.
When I talk about my rights, don't tell me no.
No, I mean,
No, you're going to organic foolishness.
Yeah, man, I come to me.
Very good for them farmers.
if me know something, we don't react that way.
We wanted to know.
We want to do it. We think something to be good with us, trying something
I
different.
love it. I hug you up and kiss you and all this.
I said no.
I don't believe that excellent move for the honest.
They know that's something bad on the phone.
You know, but I like a medicine.
I don't know you done.
Frog leg has a lot of benefit.
Bring that, don't tell me what go frog leg. I don't give a shit with frog leg. You know why? You don't I see what I tell the rest of them about, oh, you want to nutrient that's in a pork. Well, you know that.
But I don't like say nobody ever know about we. And I like to me I go tell nobody so me feed you.
We don't care about
Nobody
nobody.
know.
Nobody know just
We don't
me.
care about nobody, we care about me. We don't eat frog, man. Why you not cook something like that, you man?
I just want you know something new because you always say you're tired of
Tired of the same old.
How much meat do they have to give me frog?
But we try all I need beef, you have fish, you have goat,
Yeah, lamb.
you have lamb, you have, you know what I'm saying, you have all I need them what we can think of. So we just want to treat them as something nice and different.
And they say it tastes like chicken.
Yeah, and they say it tastes like chicken. And you guys sit down there and say
And
it tastes
enjoy
like
it.
And enjoy it.
No, you know,
We can't listen to the fuck around.
We can't, yeah.
Go down.
Go on talk to
But I'm not saying leave.
Go on talk to them no sense.
What do you
No
mean to
make
make
no
sense?
sense at all. Because I'm saying me a pint, shouldn't go in a bullfrog feed.
You eat when you don't use the word bullfrog.
Yeah, bullfrog, a
It's
bullfrog.
organic frog
I'm a
leg.
bullfrog man, bullfrog and
Oh
meal one.
my God, brother, stop talking about organic.
Bullfrog.
Stop talking.
Bullfrog
Organic shit. Yo, man.
is in swamps.
This organic
These
shit.
are in swamps. They
Uno
are
nyam
grown
none.
special
Uno
on a
nyam
farm.
none. Uno nyam
We
none.
might try it.
Uno nyam none. So why you not eat some? If I organic and this and that and they are so good.
Because
Why
when
you
we
not eat
hungry,
some?
we got golden cross and get patties so we sell for our walk.
Okay.
A
But
meal.
why you nyam bullfrog? We can't eat patty. We have to nyam frog.
What you say,
You
sir?
know, man, you know, it's wrong.
You can't say no way if you make it so wrong. That's all that
Man,
matters.
it's
It's
wrong,
wrong
man.
for one to do.
We want to make sure you guys are around us for a
I'm
long
not
time. It's
sitting
good
around.
for your heart.
Look it up.
It's good for blood
Look
pressure.
it up.
I don't want to party attack, man. But we want to make sure.
They have a lot of
You want to make
benefits to
sure.
it.
Why you never eat if you have so much benefit?
Exactly.
Who are older than we?
Man, up to your fucker. Yeah, I am.
Who are older than we?
Brenda Cook.
Come on, follow this. Come on, let's
We don't have to leave. I'm
You don't
not
have to
leave.
Yo, man. Let's see if we can wait for him.
Right now, look at trick on a trick with me.
We're not trick on
Yeah.
We need no trick
On
on
a trick with.
We need no trick
I
on
went, me I look one thing, me expect on to do that. You see what I'm saying? Me expect that.
You're sorry to feel it.
Sorry that you feel the way you feel.
Me should have known so what I feel already.
I don't understand how you expect me to feel.
Me name why you don't be outrageous like
I'm not like you that sit down well comfortable, I eat backside.
You know, man. I didn't know what.
Oh, yeah, laugh after that.
Terrible.
We need to laugh.
We didn't laugh after you.
I want to make where I laugh now because we're not react and because we don't think it's necessary. We're not.
Man, sit down comfortable, I eat frog to box.
You enjoyed every minute. You enjoyed every minute. You did. You did.
I
You
don't
did
bother
enjoy
by
it.
you.
Let's say it's moist and everything like that.
No, right
You
now,
enjoyed it.
find a way to go home, that's all I have to say.
Oh, my God, here, man.
So why not leave for that?
Why
I mean,
not
on an extra. I
I
mean, come on.
foolishness on the boy with style.
What a foolishness.
Somebody follow me, keep me right and I don't want to talk to you, style. Nobody follow me, please.
Why? Me can't
Nobody
talk
follow me
on the
at all. Nobody follow me. Because I don't want to talk to me right and not all the time.
I think you just have got.
I think you guys are
I like how we
overreacting.
feel not in front of people. I just between we.
Man, yo, me
You're
The
overreacting.
same, me don't want to hear it, man. I'm the wrong phone of the style. The wrong phone of them.
You're overreacting. You're blowing it out of
I mean, I keep on saying, okay, woman, because I can't home neither, you know. My friend gone.
Him not gone.
Alright?
Oh shoot, guys! Oh my god! I just heard the car. We gotta.
Bring down the camera. Give me down the camera. We have to go tell them to say I'm drunk. Give me. Well, go get Prem. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Yeah, don't leave. Wait there. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's chicken.
It's
See?
chicken breast.
Chicken breast. Wait there.
Put this label on it. It's fake.
It's fake.
It's fake chicken breast.
I'm not going to get the chicken breast.
How we tape your hand, Penny?
We taped it down on
Peel
there. It's a label. Now don't hurry up before Clifford left.
Left you better one.
One! Go get him. See? See there? How we... It's a prank. What I think you can't get up and prank whoever ratted day long. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh, chicken. Oh, you bring it in because I can't.
We put the label on it.
Yeah.
It's for no chicken breast. I know real chocolate.
Yeah.
It's a prank, baby. It's a prank. Yeah, we don't never give the chicken frog leg. Yo, no, y'all, we get your ass. And we print it off like computer. Yeah.
Yo, can I come and see it again to blow?
That's called revenge.
Revenge.
Sure.
Revenge. So what do to
It's
it?
called chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Purdue
Yeah,
chicken
Purdue
breast.
chicken
100% vegetable fed.
So I'm going to put this out and see how much.
Yes,
All
I will
of
see
that.
all of that. I will PS you on.
Yep. And we clean.
Yeah, we got to know.
See
We
the
got to know.
label there?
We got to know.
We
We got to know. Get to know. Chicken and all. We got. So who are the prank queen? Who are the prank queen? Who are the prank queens? Who are the prank? May I wait for honor? Who are the prank queens? Who are the prank queens? Holy shit! You are left in your slippers and like your big old slippers there, buddy. Buddy full. God to the good. God am good. Yes. It's still a look. You don't believe it's still a look. Chicken
See the
breast.
original label there. See it peel off on that.
That's a, yo, that might be a keep a can around.
That's the wrong thing to blow with man.
That's a keep a never do that time.
Oh, we ordered that.
Said the producer.
Now see how we tape your body. I produce
Big
chicken.
breast.
Man,
Yeah.
this thing a good no blood thing.
Yeah. The
See the
breast.
chicken breast.
So no
there?
print out the stuff I come with that.
Yeah,
We
it's frog
created the
thing. Yeah, we
labels.
create the label and everything.
Girls now.
Yeah.
All the barcode.
All the
All the
barcode
barcode
do.
will make.
Yeah.
Use our freeze by April.
Oh, say our names. Who are the prank queens? Say our names. Say our names, please.
That's it. I'm going to have one.
All